possibly bloody takedown.
So as you guys know, we are looking for the Maher brothers.
When you start making claims to kill someone, you have no compassion for anyone. And we went after these guys with everything we had.
When the audio cassette tape finally made it into law enforcement hands, we knew that there was going to be fallout, but we did not expect the level of heat that it brought.
So this tape really ups the ante here.
While the brothers wanted to get the attention of law enforcement, they underestimated the impact of their taunts.
They said it shut down all operations in the Westgate area, setting them back for 3 months on all their criminal investigations, because all focus was turned towards the apprehension of my brother and I.
Definitely felt that these guys were worthy targets for ATF, guys that should go to federal prison, and to get them off the streets. They're basically terrorizing the neighborhood.
Police ATVs and helicopters searched the Jupiter Farms area relentlessly. As the cops begin to close in, Mark and Maverick keep on the move. On April 11th, 2 days after making the audio tape,
Hey, Brian.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
So I did an extra trip to Branson, and I'm coming back, and there's like an accident on 65. I don't know if I'm
On 65?
Yeah, it is bad. I just want to let you know that why it's gonna
Okay.
be a lot.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay, I'll put
All
on
right.
I'll put on the sheet accident too, so it's there. I just
Well,
want
you don't have to go back to the plant.
No, I gotta go to the
Go ahead.
yard. Yep, just
Yeah.
to the yard.
Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Bye.
Huh? That's how impatient people are. Huh? That's crazy. That's how impatient people are. Just to get a little bit up there.